What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and you join me today at this retail park in Brighouse. I'm with Luke, Supercars Yorkshire, and Barry, the owner of this stunning Yas Marina Blue F80 M3 competition pack, as you can see behind me. Today we're going to be doing a bit of filming with that. We're going to get a few cinematic shots of it, maybe a few sound clips, a few beauty shots of it. So yeah, should be an interesting morning. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Just have a quick little walk around of the car. So it's an F80 M3, it's a 2018 facelift in Yas Marina Blue. This one's a competition pack as well. This one's actually been lowered slightly and is on wheel spacers. And yeah, it just sits so well. As you can see, the rear arches on this, it just gives it such a good road presence. Got the owner's Instagram there on the back as well. It's just such a menacing car. It's got all the M Performance bits on it as well, all the carbon. The carbon front splitter, nice short reg as well, nice black grills. Also, these lights just look so menacing. It just gives it such a good presence. Absolutely stunning. The cream leather inside as well, with the competition seats. So it's a 3 litre twin scroll turbo, I believe, 444 horsepower as standard. Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Ready?
I am ready, mate.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's it.
Right, so we're going to round off the F80 M3 video at that. It's been a good morning filming, got some good sound clips of the car, it sounded absolutely awesome. Also got some nice cinematics, some nice rolling shots, and also some beauty shots of it parked up. I believe Barry, the owner of the M3, may be coming to a few meets, as he said he wanted to come to a few meets around the Yorkshire area, as he is actually quite local, so might be seeing more of him in the future. So looking forward to that. Yeah, thanks to Barry for letting us film with the car. Yeah, Luke's now gone off to see one of his friends yeah, Luke's now gone off. He's meeting up with one of his friends, Callum, who's getting his F56 Coupe S remapped at Dervtech Tuning. I think he's probably getting about 290 horsepower out of it, which will be absolutely absurd. I've now met up with Nick with the S-Type, and yeah, we're just going to go for a little bit of a drive now, but I'm probably not going to film anything. I might film some car spots if I see anything. I've actually seen a nice R8 today, and there is a nice Mustang which I need to go and get some clips of. Yeah, the R80 UFO. Yeah, I've filmed that's there quite often actually. The old one, what, like the V8 one? Oh, nice. Not bad. Well, I like the original R8. But yeah, starting to waffle on a bit now. Yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed Nick climbing on the bonnet of his S-Type. That was random. This video has gone for weird. It's gone from an M3 to a Jaguar S-Type bonnet being jumped on. But yeah, I'm starting to waffle on now, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. What the fuck? Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for more. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.